You okay? Tired, huh? We had a hard time sleeping last night, didn't we? Yeah. We're gonna go see the doctor though in just a little bit. Yeah. Go see the doctor. I love you, Kyrie. Kyrie. Hi. I love you.